Well, me and Senior just did a front end, basically. New shocks in the front. I removed the coilovers. They were a pain in the butt. Dry rotted. Time for new lines all around. Project Graham's getting some love. All right, new. Yeah. I know. I butchered it. I'm sorry, Project Grams. But yeah, brand new, ready to go. Only 3 more to go. And all 4 lines are done. Yo, guys, check this out. I just saw it. Look what this says. Toyota Japan. Yo, these are original brake lines from 1996. That's crazy. That's Toyota quality right there. Maybe Toyota didn't make these lines, but dude, for it to last this long is amazing. But yeah, bled, everything good. Got no lines in. You know, it's the good stuff. Shanjuju, whatever that is. But yeah, all 4. Thanks from help from Pops. Thanks from help from Senior. I ain't gonna take all the credit. He helped me pump the brakes, bleed it. But yep, look at that. All 4 new lines, all new fluid. Front brake pads are brand new. Ready to go. Back home to Florida. Good job, Gramps.